With Find My iPhone enabled, your device will be protected from being stolen. If you want to know how to turn off Find My iPhone from computer, watch this video to learn how to use iCloud and Joyoshare Activation Unlocker in minutes. Method 1. Disable Find My iPhone on iCloud page. Step 1. Go to the iCloud page and log in with the Apple ID and password. Step 2. Enter the Apple ID section and locate the Find Devices link. Step 3. Open the All Devices list and select the device that needs to turn off Find My iPhone. Step 4. Click on Erase iPhone to delete all the data on your device first. Step 5. Click the Remove from Account option, and the device will be unassociated with your Apple ID. As a result, Find My iPhone is successfully disabled. Method 2. Turn off Find My iPhone via Unlocker without password. If you are finding a method to disable Find My iPhone without Apple ID password, Joyoshare Activation Unlocker can be utilized as a workaround to achieve this. With no need for password, the Find My feature on iPhone, iPad, and iPod is able to be turned off by this wonderful program without obstacle. Also, Joyoshare Activation Unlocker helps you disable Find My iPhone even though you cannot get the verification code. In addition, this software contributes to removing the iCloud activation lock and unlocking Apple ID without password. You could use it for unlimited times. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and run the latest version of Joyoshare Activation Unlocker. Find the disclaimer and read it carefully to make sure that you know the risks of unlocking the activation lock. After hitting the Agree button, click Start to wait for your device entering recovery mode automatically. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to manually put your device into DFU mode. When succeed, Joyoshare Activation Unlocker will start jailbreaking your device. Step 3. Click the Start Remove button, and the device will automatically enter recovery mode. After that, manually enter DFU mode again following the on-screen guide. And the Find My feature on iOS 16 will be turned off. Method 3. Turn off Find My iPhone from another device. Step 1. Launch the Find My app on another Apple device. Step 2. Tap the Devices tab, choose the device you need, and scroll to the Remove this device option. Then enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone. This is the end of this video. If it is helpful for you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.